Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are looking at the euro and the US dollar for this Saturday's analysis. As I would say, the market is still forming or is still having some bearish, let's say, outcome normally. So let's write on the screen here fairbinaryoptions.com. It is if you want a pattern within a pattern, as I think that what happened before this moment of time happened here as well. We had a contracting triangle that acted as a continuation pattern here, in the sense that price broke the B2D trend line and then never looked back. But here I would say that the market ends only a second wave, if I may say so. A second wave, so a bigger degree second wave that ends actually here, and then to the downside we should have here still a second wave but of a lower degree. It means that this triangle here, the triangle that is so visible here, should break in the same direction, namely to the downside. Let's make it of a different color. Let's make it in blue, to the downside, but again of a lower degree. So this to be something like A, B, C, D, E, most likely, and the triangle will be from here to end here. So A, B, C, D, E, and this should be the B2D trend line, should look something like this. And all eyes now should stay on the B2D trend line to be broken. As you can see, the two triangles are somehow similar in the sense that they are taking that much of time here with that much of time here. So it might be that our triangle here to start only from here, A, B, C, D, so to be of a lower degree. Anyways, it should end the wave, a second wave here, of a lower degree. And that means that the first wave is done around here, so this to be wave 1. Then everything here up to this contracting triangle should be only a corrective wave. This is being called a double three running, that starts from this moment of time here and goes all the way to the upside. How to actually trade this pair? Well, we need to have a bit of a patience. Maybe next week we'll have the more clues from Miss Yellen, as she is due to testify in front of the Jackson Hole, and at the Jackson Hole, and probably she will reiterate that the Fed is going to withdraw from the quantitative easing this coming September with 15 billion still in on the table. Now, how to actually trade this one? Well, first of all, we should wait for the B2D trend line to be broken for the more, let's say, more conservative traders, but more aggressive ones will go right Monday at the opening and buy put options. So it depends very much on your risk appetite, if I may say so. So let's write here on the screen that looking to buy put options with end of day expiration date, end of week, sorry, expiration date, in two instances. First of all, at the opening on Monday, and when the B2D trend line is broken. The B2D trend line basically being the blue line that you see to the downside there. Well, that's the plan. It remains to be seen. Remember, exactly what happened here, the 1 and the 2, is supposed to happen here with a complex correction. This is being called a double three running, one of the most powerful patterns out there. Thank you for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. We just look with bearish eyes on the euro and the US dollar. Bye bye.